average one war nickel or one buffalo nickel every nickel hunt. Dimes is a crapshoot. Dimes is always a crapshoot with me. Yeah, quarters. Yeah, I've honestly never done a quarter hunt. I've done a $50 hunt, but that was a long time ago. So it's just sometimes I don't have the money to do a $50 or quarter hunt. Everybody hit that like button. There's about 100 people in here. I'm trying to get to 50 likes tonight at least. My goal, I'm almost at 2,500 subscribers, believe it or not. I started with about 2,300. We're getting awful close. So if you guys do me that small favor and hit the like button, all of you, I'll get to my goal of at least 50 likes tonight. What's up, Mary? Contains sulfur. That's something I've never heard. Alright guys, this is the last 2 rolls of this dime box. It is empty. We've got nickels up next. Oh. What's up, Doctor? Dr. Yan? Now, this whole box can't be a skunker. No silver. Nope. Come on, last roll. Oh, that's some good finds, Tennessee. Yep, and we are not going to get silver in the dimes tonight, unfortunately. But, you know, that's what happens with dimes. You either get a few, a bunch, or you just get none at all. So, all right, let me transfer over. Get a new bag. I know the best dime I found in a hunt was a 1936 Mercury dime, which was pretty awesome. We're almost at 50 likes, guys. That's my goal for tonight. Ooh, guys. We got silver. The first roll of nickels. Heck yeah. That just made up for that box. So, 1944, and it is a Philadelphia 35% silver. Finally. Cool. Got our first find. See, I told you I average at least one silver in every nickel box.